Cumbanchero starts on the first string with this little chromatic turn. So your first couple of notes are the second fret of the first string. Then you have this. Second fret, third, second, first, second. And it happens several times in a row. So that opening is all the same. Second, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, and then it rotates or repeats. And what I just did was slur in groups of 4. This piece is very fast. If you have the pick speed and you want to play, the problem with that is not everybody is going to have that pick speed, and secondly, when everyone in the group is playing, is trying to pluck at the same time, there's going to be a lot of pick splatter. So this works very nicely as a slur. The only note you will pick is the A, the note on your second finger. So you will pick, hammer, pull, pull, pick. So pick, hammer, pull off, pick, hammer, pull off. And then it sounds nice and clean, and it should be easier to synchronize the group. And that's the introduction. Starting at the pickup to measure 7, we have the famous melody. So if you start with your first finger at the 7th fret of the second string, it's going to go 7 on the second string to 7 on the first string. Then this note repeats 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 10th fret with your pinky and back to 7. So second string, first string 8 times on the 7th fret. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 7, 10, 7. When you get to the second ending, you can stay there. There are many ways to finger this. I'm going to show you 2 good ones. With your first finger at the 7th fret, the first one we'll do is where we will stay in position. We'll stay at the 7th fret. So you'll have 7, 9, 10, back to 7, 9 to the second string, 10, back to the first string, 7, to the second string, 8, second string, 10, second string, 7, second string, 8, third string, 10, second string, 7, third string, 8, third string, 10, third string, 7, third string, 8, fourth string, 10, third string, 7. So it looked like this in sort of full speed. So on the first string you're using frets 7, 9, and 10, and on the next 2 strings you're using frets 7, 8, and 10. So 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 10, 7, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, 7. The other way to do it, if you don't feel comfortable going that far back into your neck, play the beginning of it the same. 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, second string 10, first string 7, second string 8, 10, 7. Now when you get to this note, the next note is a G, same as your first string open. So now you could finish the lick down here. Second fret, first string, third fret, second, open first, second fret, third fret, open. So you'd play the first two strings the same. And then on the open string, shift back to the first fret. It's more convenient to make that shift when you have an open string and you don't have to play a note and move at the same time. So, the scale that ends this, if you've played it in position, you can still stay in position. Go to the second string at the 7th fret, 7, 8, 7, 10, 8, 7, and end on the 10th fret of the 5th string. Or, that's a D, it's the same as your second string open. You can do that, or play your second string open for the final note of that run. So the fingerings would be 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4. If you've come down here and finished in first position, first string, 2nd fret, 2, 3, 2, 0 on the first string, 3, 2, 0 on the second string. Then the piece goes to the second ending, the middle section. There's a nice little pattern that goes on here. You're at the 4th fret with your first finger, and you're going to play 4 fret stretches, or 3 fret stretches, 4 fingers. 4th fret, 7th fret, go to the first string, 5th fret, 8th fret, and then you're right there for that walk down. So, starting again at the beginning of measure 21, right after the second ending, you have 4th fret, 7th fret, those are on the second string, 1st string, 5th fret, 8th fret, leave your hand right where it is, 7, 5, 2nd string, 8, 7, 5. Move up 2 frets, 7, 8, 10, 1st string, 7, 3rd string, 10, 9, 8, 7. So again, that falls under your hand if you do it in 7th position. Then move your first finger to 6th fret, and this is essentially the same pattern as the earlier one, except up a whole step. Now we're going to play that same shape we played earlier. 6th fret, 10th fret, 6th fret, 9th fret, 7th fret, 10th fret, slide back a fret on your pinky, and so on the first string that's 9, 7, 6, 2nd string, 9, 7, and then right back up, 9, 6, 7, 9. So starting in measure 29, first finger, 6th fret, 2nd string. 9th fret, move to the 1st string, 7, 10, slide back a fret, 9, 7, 6, 9, 7 on the 2nd string, and then walk right back up, 9, 1st string, 6, 7, 9. Then it goes back to the beginning. And when you get to the coda, you have finished on either that note or that note. And a little turnaround is just the top 2 strings open. 2nd string, 1st, 2nd string.